Hi, today we have a Skoda Superb. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located at the passenger side. So first we have to remove two plastic bolts. The other one should be here, but this one is missing. And after that I can remove this foam. And now we can see the cabin filter. Next I have to push this plastic cover, and then we can remove the filter. I can see there is a lot of dirt inside. Here I have new cabin filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. The cabin filter should be installed like this. And then I have to put the plastic cover into the holes of the cabin filter, push it upwards and then slide it to the left. So now I can return the protective foam. We have to match the foam on the holes so the air can blow into the passenger legs. And now I can install the plastic bolt. There should be another one here, but like we said before, this one is missing. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.